This is the Zoom H4 recorder. To get started, you will need to open the battery cover, slide the catch away from the speakers, and lift the cover away from the body. If you need to change out an SD card, press it towards the body of the recorder to release it, and press it again to reinsert it. 2 AA batteries are required to operate the Zoom H4 if you want to use it as a mobile recorder, but are not included when you check one out at the MRC. On the side of the Zoom H4 is the line output jack, headphone volume, power switch, and USB port. On the bottom of the recorder are input jacks 1 and 2 and the DC in jack for the power cord. You can operate the Zoom H4 without batteries by connecting the power cord to the recorder. However, the cord is about 6 feet long and may restrict how and where you can record. On the other side of the recorder are the input gain switches for inputs 1 and 2 with settings for low, medium, and high, the mic gain switch, also low, medium, and high, and lastly the jog dial. This is one of the main ways to navigate through the menus and settings on the display screen. Toggling it up or down moves the selection arrow on the screen up or down, and pressing the jog dial in selects whichever options the arrow is next to on the screen. Pressing the menu button returns you to the menu previous to the screen you are currently in. You can change the recording format by pressing the buttons to the left of the display screen. The format you've chosen will appear with the sample rate and bit rate. Press the menu button to exit the format choices. To begin the recording process, press the record button twice. The volume meters on the screen will display the level of sound being recorded. To stop recording, press the record button once more. To import audio files from the Zoom H4, connect the mini to regular USB cord to the recorder and to the computer. On the recorder, press the menu button. Using the jog dial, toggle down the menu and select the USB option, then select the Connect to PC option. An icon labeled H4SD will appear on the desktop. Open the icon and select the stereo folder, then select and drag the files you want to import onto the desktop. Once the files have transferred, close the window and drag the icon into the trash to safely end the connection between the recorder and the computer.